Who is this blowing me up? Man, you know what? I'm gonna just go up there tomorrow.
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
So I haven't received my housing assignment yet, and I'm trying to figure out like what's going on.
What's going on? Okay, so in order to receive your housing clearance, you need to register as a full-time student, which means you register for 12 credits.
I've done that already.
Done that? Okay, cool. And then you need to pay your tuition and room and board, or set up a deferment plan.
Okay.
All right, and that would be at the Bursar's office. You know where that is?
Is that in Tyler?
Yeah, Tyler Hall,
Okay,
right next to the Student Center. And then you also have to submit your COVID vaccination card or submit an approved exemption.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Hi.
How you doing?
Do you all know where the Burstraw's office is?
Yeah, it's right down there in Tyler Low.
Okay. Thank you.
Second large window on the right.
Okay, thank you so much. Hi. Okay, can you give me your first name, please? Okay, give me 1 second so I can get your key. All right. You're in room 609. Can you sign this paper for me? All right, thank you. This is your room key. You are in room 609. There is a $150 charge if you lose your key, but have a great time in the phenomenon. Y'all, guess what?
What happened?
I got my housing! Yeah, so for more information, click the link in our bio and scan this QR code.